have the Hope, Love, Shine Moonstone necklace in sterling silver. I'm wearing it right here, and this is the gift box that it came in. It's definitely a cute gift idea. I got this for my birthday, and it comes in this little, it's a gift box, but it looks like a book, and it has a mission statement on the back. It's just really a cute package. You open up the ribbon, and so if I were buying this as a gift for someone else, you can have it shipped to yourself, and then you can customize a little card that's in here. It has care tips and a little box dedication on there. And then in the middle here is where the necklace was. And it talks about what the moonstone stands for. And I love how it does that. So this is the necklace. It has two openings for where you can clasp it. So it's on the longest setting right now, which I think is a good length for me. And then depending on what shirt you're wearing, you may want it a little bit shorter. But I definitely love the look of it. It is sterling silver, and it does have a little sparkle to the chain, which is nice. So I can show you up close the size. I feel like it's dainty, but it's big enough to where it is visible when you are wearing it. It is pretty, it has a nice shine to it, and the moonstone is a little bit, it's white, but it is a little bit iridescent, if you can see. It almost has that like rainbow effect to it, which I also love. The back, so it has the sterling silver around the stone, and you can see that's how it looks on the back. And then here are the two clasp settings. So it won't be too much shorter. I don't know if you can see that second one. So it would make it here, which if you were wearing a shirt that comes higher up, that maybe it would be nice to have it a little bit shorter so you can see it. But I highly recommend. It seems like it's great quality, and I've really enjoyed wearing it and have gotten compliments on it. So I definitely recommend, even if it's just a little splurge for yourself, a little gift to yourself, the moonstone, or to a friend or family member. It's definitely packaged well, and it's really cute and thoughtful. So yeah, go check it out.